So friends, I would like to welcome you in this lecture of engineering graphics and CAD. And today we are once again going to solve the problem of deep and strike. In previous lecture, we have discussed what is deep and what is strike. These are the geometrical terms, and it is observed in the last stage of your plane problem. We know that plane problem is of 3 stage. प्लेन में 3 स्टेज होते हैं और जो लास्ट का स्टेज होता है उस लास्ट के स्टेज को हम डीप और स्ट्राइक वहां निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव सीन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द डीप as well as strike. I will not once again repeat it, but you must know that in top view you can get the strike line and the strike angle, and in auxiliary front view, auxiliary means x1 y1, जो कुछ भी स्ट्राइक लाइन है उसे परपेंडिकुलर करके जो नेक्स्ट व्यू जहां हमें एज व्यू मिलती है, in that auxiliary front view you can get your desired position of deep angle. और डीप यानी कि जो आपका एज व्यू है वो x1 y1 को ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में नजदीक है या नीचे के डायरेक्शन में नजदीक है, ये हमें देखना है और वहां एक एरो मार्क कर देना है जो हमें बताएगा द डीप डायरेक्शन. सो वी हैव सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम बट वी हैव नॉट नोटेड डाउन द प्रोसीजर. So I request you to write down the procedure to find out deep and strike. डीप और स्ट्राइक की जो प्रोसीजर है फाइंड आउट करने की वो आपको अब करनी है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फाइंड horizontal line in front view and top view. Find horizontal line in front view and top view. Front view and top view. If it doesn't exist, if it doesn't exist, then if it doesn't exist, then draw it through one of its corner in the front view, on its front side, Number 2, take its projection in top view. Take its projection in top view. take its projection in top view. And extend the line passing through its corner at front side. This will be a strike line. This will be a strike line. This will be a strike line. Number 3, find the bearing anywhere on the strike line. Find the bearing anywhere on strike line. This bearing will be your strike angle. Your strike angle. Next point number 3 or 4, whatever it may be. Extend the strike line and draw auxiliary plane x2 y2 not x2 y2, x1 y1 पहला ही है ना. So x1 y1 perpendicular to extended strike line. Next, measure the distances from front view, measure the distances from front view and mark it and mark it beyond x1 y1 x1 y1. You will get the edge view. You will get the edge view. Next point. Measure the angle of edge view. Measure the angle of edge view with x1 y1 with x1 y1 line. This will be a deep angle. This will be a deep angle.